exciting video today. We're gonna be showing y'all 5 Christmas treats that are so easy. Frosty the Snowman can make them. I mean, he has snow for arms, or sticks. Now there's a heated debate in the kitchen. Are Frosty's arms sticks or snow? But on the Frosty the Snowman cartoon, it's snow. I've seen it for years. Are we gonna watch Frosty while we make these treats? Yep, Jonah's getting it ready. This one's really easy. We only need 3 ingredients. Well, the sprinkles are actually not even an ingredient. They're just a garnish. Yeah, decoration. We just need some white, either melting chocolate, melting wafers, or almond bark. We have the vanilla flavored almond bark here, pretzel sticks, and we need wax paper. That's it. We're gonna start by melting the almond bark. I think I'm only gonna need about 3 squares here. We'll do 4 just to be safe. All right, we're just gonna stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds, stir it 30 seconds, until it's melted. And the arms are made of snow. Jonah's getting the pretzel sticks ready. We probably just need about 10 to 15, I guess. And you'd want the regular pretzel sticks, not the ultra thin. Great Value has an ultra, I think they call it ultra thin or extra thin or something. Ultra. Anyway, you don't want the thin ones. You want the regular pretzel sticks. Okay, so there are the trees. Jonah's finishing up those over there. We're gonna go ahead and start decorating them. Up next, Reindeer Pretzels. This time we only need the pretzel sticks, chocolate almond bark or chocolate wafers or chocolate chips, whatever you want to use for melting your chocolate, some cinnamon drops, and the candy eyeballs. First, we melt the chocolate, and this time we're probably just going to need 3 of the chocolate blocks. Okay, Cece, for this one, you're going to need 2 pretzel sticks. Those 2 just happen to be sticking together. Oh, there's 2 more. This was perfect. It's made for the reindeer treats. So you're just gonna put 2 pretzel sticks together, and you can kind of separate them if you want to, or put them together, however you want to do it. So the pretzels are the antlers, and the chocolate, the chocolate is gonna be the head of the reindeer. So we're just gonna put a circle down here. There we go. Yeah, that's what we need to do. These can be round-faced reindeer, but these you do like a triangle shape almost. Look at those reindeer. Do those look fun? Mm-hmm. It's like Rudolph.
Can I try one?
Yeah, you can try one. This is the easiest one of all, Manny. You're just gonna take this little mini Reese's cup.
She ate all the eyeballs.
She ate all the eyeballs. Look, you're gonna dip it in here, and then you take it out. Yeah, dip it in there. And then you dip it in the sprinkles. Then you're gonna sit it right here to dry.
Here we go.
Okay, now sit it right here to dry. We're gonna do the same thing with the Hershey Kisses.
That's okay, Mama.
Okay, I got it.
Half Christmas tree.
Yeah, half Christmas tree.
Here we go.
right, y'all, up next, candy cane crunch. Y'all have seen me do this before. We make it every year around Christmas time. All you need is rice checks, white melting chocolate or almond bark or whatever. We're gonna use the vanilla almond bark, and candy canes. You can go ahead and get the candy canes or peppermint that's already crushed up, or you can just crush up your own candy canes. I'm gonna go ahead and start melting the almond bark and crush up the candy canes while it's melting. We're gonna use the little mini food chopper to chop up the candy canes, but you can just put them in a bag or something and bang on them with a coffee mug, which is what I do a lot of times. Opening candy canes is like, I don't even know. It is not fun. They always break, which in this case it doesn't really matter because we're fixing to crush them up anyway. They always, oh my goodness. Y'all, it's a Christmas miracle. I was not even trying and I just opened up this candy cane and it did not break. The children are all amazed. They are amazed. Stirring up my almond bark over here. Okay, so we poured the Chex Mix into this big bowl. Now we're gonna pour over the melted almond bark. I'm just gonna do half of it at first. Some of the candy canes too. We'll go ahead and mix this together. Pour this out onto here and spread it and let it dry, and then you can break it apart because it'll all kind of stick together a little bit. While this is drying, we'll go ahead and start the last one. Okay, y'all, this next one is one that I've heard so many people talk about for years, and we've never tried it. It's the saltine cracker candy, Christmas cracker saltine candy. We're gonna be making Paula Deen's version of it today. So we're gonna put in 2 sticks of butter in this pot. Okay, while that's melting, we're gonna get our pan ready. I don't have any parchment paper, so I'm gonna use my well-loved pan instead of the newer one. So we're just gonna put these straight on the pan since I don't have any parchment paper. I'm just gonna spray it really good here. And we're gonna spread out the saltine crackers. We need a sleeve and a half. So y'all let me know in the comments if you've made this candy before. In here with our butter, we're gonna put a cup of brown sugar. We're just gonna mix this and get that brown sugar melted down. I've got the oven preheated to 350 because when this is ready, we're gonna pour it over the crackers and they're gonna go in the oven for just about 5 minutes. All right, y'all, this has been boiling for about a minute, so I'm gonna let it go a couple more minutes. Okay, so we got it out of the oven. I turned the oven off. We're gonna put some semi-sweet chocolate chips on here. And now some milk chocolate chips. A cup of these toffee pieces. Okay, the last thing we're putting is some chopped pecans. That's it. Now this goes back in the oven. It's not on, it's just still warm, and we're gonna put it in there for 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, The Christmas cracker candy, really, I can see why people make it. It's good. It tastes like a really crunchy candy bar. There's the caramel, the toffee, the two different chocolates, and then you get a little bit of saltiness from the crackers. Yep, it's pretty good, but I would have to say, I still think everybody around here's favorite is the candy cane crunch. It's the one everybody keeps reaching for.